Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering components so you can act fast. First, pick a 4G GPS tracker module with GSM and a reliable antenna. This ensures location and cellular data. Once chosen, decide on power. OBDRoman2 is quickest. Hardwiring gives stealth and constant power. Install the SIM and record the APN, username, and password. Now, power the module briefly to verify it boots and registers on the network. This confirms your hardware, and SIM are functional before further wiring. Once done with basic checks, wire the unit carefully. Connect constant 12V, ignition switch 12V if you want motion-based logging, and a good chassis ground. Always use inline fuses to protect the circuit. Mount the tracker where the antenna has a clear view of the sky but stays concealed. Then configure the module. Set the APN, server IP and port, and a reasonable heartbeat interval so you balance responsiveness versus data usage. Finally, enable NME/GPS logging and save configurations to flash. You finish by validating the whole system in the real world. Start a short test drive and watch real-time updates plus stored route history to ensure frequent fixes and correct timestamps. Make adjustments. Lengthen heartbeat to save data or shorten GPS intervals for higher accuracy. If it fails to get a fix or upload, first inspect antenna connections and placement, confirm the SIM has data and correct APN. Then test power lines and fuse continuity. If problems persist, swap the SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.